Exercise 7.2, question number 5. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining A and B is divided by the x-axis. Also find the coordinates of the point of division. See here, I have written point A and point B. Now this line segment AB is getting divided because of x-axis and the point of intersection is P. As point P is on the x-axis, therefore its coordinates are x, 0. Okay. Now I need to get the ratio. So here I will say x-axis divides AB in the ratio m is to n. So here this one is x1, y1. Okay. And this point I will just name here x2 and y2. Ratio we know m is to n. First I need to get the ratio and then I will find out the coordinates of point P. Okay. Now just see here, y coordinate is 0 for point P. So easily I can use the section formula for y coordinate. So here I will write down section formula for y. So y which is equal to m y2. Here plus n y1 divided by m plus n. Now as y is 0, I will substitute y 0. See here 0 which is equal to m. Value of y2 is 5. Okay. So here this is 5 plus n. y1 is minus 5 and divided by m plus n. Okay. Now this m plus n will go to the left hand side and it will become 0. Correct? So here 0 which is equal to 5m minus 5n. This 5m I will send to the left hand side. So it will become minus 5m which is equal to minus 5n. Minus 5 and minus 5 we can cancel. Now see here, this m, this n which is multiplying here, it will come down to divide. Now ratio became 1 is to 1. Therefore I'll write down ratio m is to n which is equal to 1 is to 1. It means that point P is midpoint of AB. So easily I will use the midpoint formula. So I will write down here by using midpoint formula, x which is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2. Now x1 we know which is 1 and x2 we know which is minus 4 divided by 2. So our answer comes as this is 2 here, minus 3 by 2. Therefore the coordinates of point P, I will write down P is minus 3 by 2 comma 0. Correct? This way we get the coordinates of point P which is there on the x-axis as well as on line segment AB. Question number 6. If these points, see this one 1, 2, 4, y, x, 6 and 3, 5 are the vertices of a parallelogram taken in order. Find the value of x and y. I have drawn here parallelogram A, B, C, D. We can name these points but in order. Okay. And we know that diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. The meaning is what? E is midpoint of AC and E is midpoint of BD. So easily I can use the midpoint formula. So here I'll write down coordinates of E when AC is the diagonal. Okay. So or I can say E is midpoint of AC. So here E is midpoint of AC which is equal to, I can write E is midpoint of BD, and for both of them I will use the midpoint formula. So see here, coordinates of E, here 1 plus x divided by 2 and here 2 plus 6 divided by 2 this side, which is equal to here 3 plus 4 divided by 2 and here 5 plus y divided by 2. Try to understand. Here this one is x1, this is x2, this is y1, this is y2. Same for BD also I did. Now what I will do, I will just compare the coordinates. This first one with the first one and second one with the second one. See what happens then? Here, first I will write down 1 plus x by 2, which is equal to 7 by 2, and here 8 by 2, which is equal to 5 plus y by 2. Now 2 and 2 cancelled. This 1 which is plus here, it will go that side. So x which is equal to 7 minus 1, and this side 2 and 2 is cancelled. 5 will come this side. 8 minus 5 which is equal to y. So finally I get x which is equal to 6 and y which is equal to here 3. Correct? So I got the value of x and y. Right?